Fresh peaches and juicy tomatoes nestled with green onion, basil, and feta cheese, drizzled with a light lemony vinaigrette. Here is the next salad you just gotta make. This fresh peach and tomato salad is best enjoyed anytime. The salad portion of this recipe, only 5 ingredients. The vinaigrette portion of the recipe, only 6. Who knew simple could be so deliciously tasty? Let's begin by making a vinaigrette. Zest 1 lemon, scoop the zest into a bowl, then cut that lemon in half and juice it. Pour the juice into the same bowl. Next, we're adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Feel free to add a little bit more to taste. We're gonna stir to combine and to dissolve that honey. Next, you're gonna need a whisk plus a 1/4 cup of high quality extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna slowly drizzle the oil into the bowl, whisk to combine. Then you can taste, season with kosher salt and black pepper, and then right at the end, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh herbs. Today, I'm using fresh basil. I'm using fresh basil because it's the herb I'm gonna be garnishing today's salad with, but feel free to experiment with your favorite herbs. Make this recipe your own. Up next, peaches and tomatoes. 3 juicy peaches and 3 beefsteak tomatoes. We're gonna run them under cold water, give them a rinse. Next, divide the peaches, then pull away and discard the stones, then cut each peach half into quarters. Similar treatment with the tomatoes, cut away the cap, then divide the tomatoes and cut each half into quarters. Okay, so this is not a tossed salad. Instead, we're gonna make it really attractive. It is composed. I'd like you to grab a beautiful serving platter or a really nice presentation plate. Watch this. We're gonna start by alternating the peach and tomato wedges. Beautiful. I'm gonna go around the outside and do a little collar. Some are inverted as I now put more across the top, tucking them in and about. Next step, let's add a sprinkle of chopped green onion. Go slow. You want those bits to fall down in between the pieces of tomato and peaches. Next, let's sprinkle the salad with some crumbled feta cheese, about a 1/4 cup's worth. Whisk up that dressing and then drizzle it all over the salad. Final step is to sprinkle the top of the salad with chopped fresh basil. It is tomatoey, it is peachy, it is cheesy, and you gotta believe me on this, it is supremely delicious. Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when a salad is this beautiful and tasty, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Fresh peach and tomato salad. It's the salad that tastes like summer. Enjoy. So delicious. Amazing.